Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
What up, YouTube? What up, fam bams? What it do? Hey, what up, YouTube? What up, fam bams? What it do? You're back with your girl Erica, and today, as you can see, we're doing a hot chip challenge. But the trick is, we're doing it with a Sprite. And we all know that you can't drink a soda pop with something hot because it makes it, should I say what? Hot. There you have it. It makes your mouth very, very hot. So, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click that notification bell so you can't miss a single upload. So, let's get into this video. Okay, before we get started, I forgot to mention that we can't drink no water. But she is ready for the challenge. So, if you see her go, oh, that means she's ready. But anyway, if we get thirsty and we want something to drink, we'll have to drink a soda pop. So let's get this video started. Are you gonna pour or shall I? I'm gonna pour the sugar. Yeah! And I want y'all to know I can't stand hot chips, okay? I can't stand hot chips. It be too freaking hot. So we're gonna try to get it all on here as much as we can. You know, we're doing 2 kinds, so you know. Ooh, these chips scraggly.
Please God.
I didn't even look at it, it said stick. These chips. Yeah, we still gonna eat them.
You ain't gonna show people the chips.
Oh, they gonna see. These young look like worms.
Worms don't look like it.
These young ugly. But we still gonna add it in here because it's hot.
Oh.
And that's what we're going for.
Please God, no.
If it fall, it fall. It don't matter. So, bam. We're gonna move this to the side. Because we ready. You gonna pour me something to drink, girl? You want me to stink with that drink in case I get thirsty? I said thirsty in case I get thirsty. Ooh, you hear that sizzle? Y'all hear that sizzle? And if I keep looking over here, it's because I'm trying to, you know, y'all get the point. Let me have some. Okay. Whew, I am not ready for what's about to happen. I do not want my mouth burning up. So, look how these things look. I'm gonna try to get it zoomed in as much as I can for y'all to see. Or get the camera right there. Yeah. Okay. So let's get it cracking.
What a hot sauce.
Ain't no hot sauce. They're all right. Okay, so what kind of YouTube are you into?
Corey Canton. And
Corey Canton, stay on one. Corey Canton, what did he do?
he gained it. Best game of life.
He got it.
And Funny Mike.
Funny, right?
And
Okay, slow down. Get them one at a time.
Square one. Could be cosplay.
Get them one at a time. Okay, Corey Canton, is that his name?
Yes.
I like him. I actually watch him myself. I think he's a pretty cool gamer. And if y'all hear a fan in the background, excuse me, I had to turn it on because I don't like hot stuff. blazing, and I don't want to get the sweat in the pool up in here. So, yeah, Corey Kenton, I like him. I watch him sometimes.
What about Corey Kinston? Yeah, you got a crush on him.
I don't have no crush on him. Anyway,
No.
one of the YouTubers I like watching is The Outsiders. They are so hot right now. I really like watching them. I think they're very, very funny. And real down to earth people. And they're, you know, the type of people you can relate to, the kind of couple, I mean, you can relate to as far as everyday living and things like that. So, if you don't, I do apologize for that, guys. My camera cut off. I don't know what happened. But we back and we better. And we still eating these hot chips. We still doing this challenge. But, as I was saying, if you don't know who these people are we're mentioning, we'll try to insert some pictures. And if you got kids or if you're adults and you like watching these same people, go check them out. I mean, like watching different things, go check them out. So who would be the second person you think you would be interested in?
No.
You ain't got nobody else to watch besides Corey Kenton. Why you like Lil who? Why you like Lil Mama? Why you like him?
Because his head big.
Cause his head big. I can dig it. I get it. And cheese did. These don't get hot, no lie. What? They're getting hot? But anyway, I would say my second person I like will be, well, I've been watching for a long time, is Equal Q. I really like her. I know she started off as a struggle, you know, she was misunderstood. I'm assuming, I'm trying to believe she was misunderstood, and she meant well. I like how she's growing as a person, and she want to change, you know, her eating habits and do something, you know, different with herself. I really like that about her. I like Dumbo Wilson. I still like her ex-girlfriend, Chrissy Daniel. Stop playing it. And
I keep rapping.
what about CJ So Cool?
He okay now. I'm like this camera. Excuse me. I'm looking like, what?
My nose starting to run. I was just gonna spit my drink down. Oh my God. My nose is starting riding around for real. But yeah. So what you like to do? I almost died now. I almost died.
And then blue.
You scared me. Woo. Eat hot chips, baby. Don't do that at home, guys. So, what you like to do? You ain't gonna tell me what you like to do? You know what you like?
Like that's life and video.
Yeah, I was going to say that. You like Gacha Life?
I like Roblox.
Roblox. I think these hot chips make my style hurt.
Ooh, I got lipstick on. Look.
The camera right there, man. Look bad on the chips on the screen. On the screen.
Don't look at me. Cause if I lose, I can't wait to get my $2.
Oh. So you made it for the money.
See my nose.
What about you now?
It's one. Now. Gotta take a big apple.
Go ahead, cuz.
Come on. Go ahead and do it.
Nah.
Nah, you go first.
Go for what?
You do it.
I ain't going nothing. I'm not gonna do that. Give me some of that drink. I'm not gonna do that.
It'll be confident.
Woo! Excuse me. Go ahead, burn yourself out.
Oh.
That ain't no sense. Eat off that table. You know, I will whoop you on camera. I will bring my belt out on camera and so that I ain't get a whooping. Stop playing with me. They're good. They're good. Eat. I pray to God, dear Heavenly Father, I pray it on your heart, burn. Enough. I think I'm feeling this kind of win. Don't mess your stomach up. You remember when you got them hot chips?
That's so bright.
Remember when you go? Remember when on the toilet? You boo-boo ain't done up. Burn. Right now, I can't help you. Bruh.
That's what put out.
Mama,
I was like, look, I was saying, give me a trash bag. You can't bring me with trash bag. I said,
Mama, yeah, guys, I do apologize. My camera cut out once again. Stop doing it. Okay, so guys,
hold up.
I think my daughter, she won this one. I cannot hang with the hot chips. My chest is burning. And I done faded off to somewhere. I forgot where I was. I wasn't even looking at the camera no more. But yeah, she won this, so write your name. Write your name in the chips. Write your name in the chips right there.
How you gonna do it?
Write your name in chips, girl. Backwards.
Oh my.
Right.
I don't know how to do it.
Like this. Make an A this way. Write it backwards. Write your name backwards in the chips. Right here, man.
Come on, bitch.
Make an A. Move that cup. We're gonna go out like that. You know what I mean? Like that. This was so much fun with my daughter trying something new that we never did before. Okay.